No feedback rows exist yet, so target medium is unknown. I will start with a high information popular movie guess Inception to establish type, year, rating, direction, genres, director, and actors. I am accepting the cookie banner first, then selecting the drop-down entry and clicking the guess button because enter alone does not submit. Type card is red. The guest title was Inception, which is a movie, so target medium equals TV. Year is red, meaning farther than 2 years from 2010, but the arrow is obscured by the open dropdown in this screenshot. Rating is yellow, so within 0.5 of Inception's MVV rating, with the arrow also obscured. Genre overlaps are action and adventure, while sci-fi is not on target. Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Elliot Page, and Christopher Nolan show no overlap. Constraints: target is a TV series, includes action and adventure, does not include sci-fi, has no listed Inception people overlap, and has rating near 8.8. Type card is red for Inception, which was a movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year is farther and the down arrow means the target is older than 2010, rating is within 0.5 and the up arrow means higher than 8.8. Overlaps are action and adventure, while sci-fi and the listed Inception actor and director do not overlap. Avatar: The Last Airbender is an older high-rated TV series with action and adventure and no sci-fi, so I will submit that next. Type card is green. The guest title was Avatar: The Last Airbender, a TV series, so target medium equals TV. Year is red and the target is older than this 2024 guess. Rating is red and the target rating is higher. Genres action and adventure overlap while fantasy does not. Godin Komir Kawatio E. Owsley, Dallas Liu Paulson Hayan Lee Jabarisini and Michael Goy show no overlap. Constraints: target is a TV series, older than 2024 and likely older than 2010 from the prior row, rated higher than this guess and near or above Inception's 8.8, includes action and adventure but not sci-fi or fantasy, and has no listed Avatar live action cast or directors. Type card is green for Avatar: The Last Airbender, a TV series, so target medium equals TV series. Year is red with target older than 2024, and prior Inception feedback indicates older than 2010. Rating is red with target higher than 7.2, and prior rating feedback points near or above 8.8. Genre overlaps are action and adventure, while fantasy and sci-fi are not on target, with no actor or director overlaps. Batman: The animated series fits an older high-rated TV series with action and adventure and avoids fantasy and sci-fi, so I will submit it next. Type card is green. The guest title was Batman: The Animated Series, a TV series, so target medium equals TV. Year is red with a down arrow, so the target is farther than 2 years away and older than 1992. Rating is yellow with a down arrow, so the target is within 0.5 but lower than 9. Genre overlaps are action and adventure, while animation is not on target. Kevin Conroy, Lauren Lester, Bob Hastings, Ephraim Zimbalist Jr., Robert Costanzo, Kevin Altieri, and Boyd Kirkland show no overlap. Constraints: target is a TV series, older than 1992, likely rated around 8.9 based on prior higher than 8.8 and now lower than 9. Feedback includes action and adventure and excludes sci-fi, fantasy, and animation. Type card is green for Batman: The Animated Series, a TV series, so target medium equals TV series. Year is red with target older than 1992, and rating is yellow with target lower than 9.0 while prior feedback points above 8.8. Overlaps are action and adventure, while animation, fantasy, and sci-fi are not on target and there are no actor or director overlaps. Mahabharat is an older highly rated TV series around 8.9 with action and adventure, so I will try it next. Nice, the answer was Mahabharat and it took 4 guesses. The key clues were that the target was a TV series, older than 1992, with a very high 8.9 rating and action plus adventure genre overlap, which pointed away from modern animated or sci-fi picks.